So graceful and majestic. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Dereck Reacts, back at it again, and we're going to be taking a look at another first-time reaction. Thanks to a Patreon subscriber for suggesting this one, White Bird by Aida Garifullina. Yes, Aida or Aida. I'm not entirely sure the pronunciation of her name, but first-time reaction nonetheless. And we're going to be taking a look at White Bird. Believe this is going to be the official video. Let's get right to it, guys. Before we get into the video, please take a moment, comment, like, and subscribe. Makes videos like these all the more possible. And also take a moment to follow me and like me both on Instagram and on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. I also have a Patreon link down below. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Help support my channel. Makes recommendations like these all the more possible. If I go bananas for this, it's going to go directly on my Spotify. Be sure to follow me there. Dereck Reacts, link in the description down below. I also have merchandise for you all. Check it out when you get a chance. DereckReacts.store. Custom tees, designs, inspired by you, created by me. Yes. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay till the end, because that's when I give my post-analysis reaction. You don't want to miss that as I go over the song and talk to you guys about what I thought. So there's that. Alright guys, without further ado, let's go.
В час неизбежного рассвета
Oh my god.
душа моя истает светом, и со мной прибудет верность женской сути.
Oh my god.
Она одна меня хранит.
Oh my god, so beautiful. Holy bananas. Oh. Beautiful. So much so much depthness in her voice. You know, this is crazy. I think this is the Aida that was with Dimash and Laura Fabian. I'm getting confused. I said first time reaction. I don't think so. I think she was with Dimash in that performance, that Olympics performance. That was amazing, by the way. She's got so much depth, guys. Her voice. You know, I'm listening to her and I'm watching her as she sings this, and I'm saying to myself, I've never been to an opera house before. Never. I've never been to it. It would be very interesting to just, you know, see it for the first time, because I've never been to something like that. And she's given me all of those, you know, obviously all those operatic vibes. I don't react to much opera singers. I really don't. Dimash and maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. But you know, they all fall in their own little category. And I know Sarah Brightman and what was the other reaction I did? Sarah Brightman and Andrea Bocelli. You know, that was just a once in a blue moon thing. I didn't go back, so I have to go back. But we'll have to continue that. Beautiful, 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 guys. What an exposure to first time reaction solo by Aida, doing her thing here. Love the piano. I think Igor's on piano. Love the way that comes in the beginning, the piano. I'm all about it.
Открыть глаза навстречу солнцу, понять, что все еще вернется к пепельным
God.
цветениям.
She's very pretty too.
Мудрость и прозрение, и так открыто улыбнется.
Toma! Holy crap!
Песню всю свою
He sent her into the next weekend.
напеть у
God.
неба на краю.
God, she does it so well.
Гордость и покорность, верить и крепко сплетена.
Remarkable.
Звездная бездонность обнимет плечи, как нежна. Слава любви, разлуки долгой прощения от
God. So graceful, so graceful, and majestic. All the strings are coming in. Wow, remarkable. She's gonna die. Oh. Sustain. Sustain it. Effortlessly. Look at that. Ay, Dios mío. Jesus, she has so much control, and her operatic tones are amazing. This is what I wanted to see, guys. I remember I had mentioned that I wanted to see something solo from her, and this is it. This is it. I knew it. I knew she's got. I knew she had it in her. I knew she had it in there. Most definitely, she did. She's slaying with dimash in that performance. I hope I'm correct. I hope I'm not confusing her with someone else. But my Patreon subscriber gave me this, and I couldn't find anything like I do with all these other artists. I don't know why. I don't know why this happens, but you can't find nothing on them. And that's how it is with Dimash. Luckily, Dimash has his own website, but I couldn't find nothing on her. All I found was just lyrics, you know, translated by the masses and masses of people. And I'm thinking, you know, when I was listening to her, because this is a full-blown operatic song, classical indeed, yes. I was thinking about playing the violin. You know how they go like this, they go like that, and that's exactly the kind of like movement of audio pattern you get when she sings. It's up and down, very curvy, like this, highs and lows, and it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. There's a time and place for songs like this. But in the beginning of the video, you see this man. He finds a CD, and I'm like, geez, this video must be in the early 2000s. Has to be early 2000s because we're past that already. The CDs and stuff like that. Yes, we are, guys. The digital age has been here and has arrived a while ago. But White Bird, guys, White Bird, and she looks fantastic. She sounds fantastic. She goes up, and she doesn't disappoint. She doesn't disappoint. You're waiting like she does, like Dimash does towards the end. That climatic point, she doesn't disappoint. White Bird. In the hour of the inevitable dawn, it was my spring. I was with the wind, and came with me faithful female essence. She is the one I have kept, my own frankness, my Rosalia. Vernon tremble on the edge of a bird, one in the lost paradise. Pride and humility, the two strands of tightly woven into pattern. Starry bottomless hug from the shoulder so gently, words of love, forgiveness, and long separation from century to now. Upon your eyes to the sun, understand that everything will be back. Surface flowering, wisdom and insight. And so openly smile from this evil of being easy to wake up. White Bird, sing and sing all. Sing on the sky edge. She's definitely a White Bird. My God, with the voice, most definitely. It's just remarkable, guys. It's just remarkable. You guys had suggested I react to some other Dimash and Aida songs together. Ulyss, is it Ulyss or Ulyssly, or Usly, Ulyssly? I think that's gonna be the next one I have to do. But it's good that I got her, you know, in here solo. Pride and humility, two strands of tightly woven into a pattern. I guess that's the chorus because it repeats itself. And she goes on where that. Great composition. You can thank Igor for this one. I think he was responsible for this one. The piano is just so lovely. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful one. Then you get all the strings to come in. He really knows, what I've noticed is that he really knows how to draw you in and keep you abound with those sounds, as it's kind of, it has that back and forth rocking motion, right? I talk about that wave, you know, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. So let me know what you think about this one. This was interesting. Until next time, for more videos like these, please leave your comments, suggestions down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Take care, guys. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like these, be sure to check this one out. And also take a moment to comment and like and smash the subscribe button to stay on all the latest reaction videos. And guys, yes, I have a Patreon link. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Help support my channel. Makes recommendations like the one you just saw all the more possible. Alright guys, take care. Love you guys. Peace.